Replacement of bearing for the Elmoji 800 or 900 series. First, take out the motor cover fan. Okay, you got a 3 screw. Second step, we need to take out the motor fan, and then we need to take out the circlip here. We using the circlip plier. Okay, and then take out the motor fan. Okay, take out the pin. Using the mallet and the flat screwdriver only. Okay, and then we take out the bolt and nut. Okay. Take out the ball and nut. We got a 4 ball and nut, size 17. Okay. We take out the bearing cover. Okay. Okay. Make sure here inside got the wavy washer. Put the original position like this, and put on the beside. So this is a bearing for the motor side. Okay. Normally we using for the 2-jaw puller for take out this bearing. This one for the seal. Do it there. We can use back for the seal. Okay. This is a 2-jaw. You can use for the pull out the bearing. The step is just tight and then just pull. Seventeen. Nineteen. We can hold one side like this. Okay, return. Okay, you see what the step only this, just tight and then pull out the bearing. So you hold one screwdriver here. Okay, you can check this line. We can pull the bearing until the end. Now pull out the bearing on progress. Now we're looking for the tools, installation tool for this bearing. We're using the SKF PM FT36. It's a bearing fitting tool. So we can choose what the type of bearing. We're using the 6209. So we're using this tool, this, and hammer we take already. So we're using this one. Okay, take out. Rokan.
Tengok ada pause. Tekan pause.